Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I think you are all well with the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Yamin Apu, an assistant teacher of mathematics, National Ideal English Version School morning shift. Today I am going to take a math class for the student of class nursery. My dear students, our today's topic is fill in the blanks part 1. For the half yearly examination, our lecture number is 17, and my dear students, you have the homework today. The homework number is 10. Okay. In the previous classes, we have already learned how to write down in words and how to write down in numbers. Today we will learn how to write down the fill in the blanks. That means how to fill these blanks to make a word of a number. The first one is O blank E. That means this is the first number in word. Okay, which you need to fill up this one. So, my dear students, this one is already given in the questions. Only you need to fill in the blanks to make a word of the numbers. Dear students, this one is also your homework. That means like this one you should do in your homework copy also. First of all, you should write down O blank E. You can write down, or your guardian can help you to write it down on your copy. After that, the blank should be filled up by yourself. Okay. Now dear students, look, it's O blank E. Okay. So what should the spelling of one? It's O-N-E. That means the spelling of one is O-N-E, one. So in this blank, we should fill up this blank with N, O-N-E. Then this makes the word one, the number O-N-E, one. The spelling of one is O-N-E, one. So the middle blank should be filled up with the letter N. Okay. The second blank is T blank O. That means it should be 2, right? It's T W O 2. That means the blank should be filled up with the letter W. Okay, it's T W O 2. The next one is T blank R blank E. So this blank is 3 should be. Okay, T H R E E 3. You have already learned the spelling of the words. My dear students, it's T H R E E 3. So the first blank will fill up with the letter H, and the second blank will fill up the letter with E. Okay, now the spelling is T-H-R-E-E, 3. The next one, look, my dear students, F blank V-E. That means it will be 5. F-I-V-E, 5, right? So this blank should be filled up with the letter I. Okay, F-I-V-E, 5. The next one, look, the next one is S-E blank E blank. That means it will be 7. It will be 7. It's S-E-V-E-N, 7. So the first blank of this one, S-E, it should be V. Okay, the first blank will be filled up with the V, and the second blank should be filled up with the letter N. Then it makes 7. S-E-V-E-N, 7. The next one is so easy. It's T blank N. Look, it's it was T blank O, so T W O 2. But it's not O, it is not T blank N. It should be T-E-N, 10. The spelling of 10 is T-E-N. So this blank will be filled up with the letter E. Okay. Now, dear students, it's the next one is E blank, E blank, E blank. So the letter is start with E. So we should fill up this blank with the word 11. Okay. 11. E-L-E-V-E-N, 11. So it's L in the first blank, E-L-E, then the second blank with V, the third blank with N. It's 11. E-L-E, E-L-E-V-E-N, 11. Okay. Now the next one will be 12. T-W-E-L-V-E. That means T-W then E in the first blank, E-L, then second blank with V. So it should make 12. T-W-E-L-V-E, 12. The next blank, look, it's T blank I-R blank E-E blank. It's 3 blank in the word. So it should be 13. My dear students, look, it is 13, right? T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N, 13. Again, T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N, 13. So it should be H in the first blank, T-H-I-R, then T-E-E-N or T-E-E-N, tin. The spelling of tin is T-E-E-N, 13. The spelling is T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N, 13. Okay. The next one is It should be 14. It's F-O-U-R-T-E-E-N, 14, or you can say double E, F-O-U-R. Okay, the first blank should be filled up with the letter U, F-O-U-R-T, then E-E-N, E-E-N-N, 14. Okay. The next one, look at the first. In the first letter, it is blank. So you should fill up this one very carefully. Blank I-F, blank E-E-N. That means it should be tin, T-E-E-N, tin. But it is what? It's F-I-F, fifth, F-I-F, fifth, T-E-E-N, 15. Okay. So first letter should be right in the capital letter. When we write down the first blank with the letter, it should be capital. Okay. It's F-I-F, T-E-E-N, 15. Look, I am repeating again. When we fill up the first blank with the letter, then that letter should be in the capital. Okay. Now, my dear students, its next blank is S blank X T blank E N. It should be S-I-X-T-E-E-N. It should be first blank with I, then 16, S-I-X 16, T-E-E-N, 16. Okay, or you can say it's double E-N. Okay, S-I-X-T-E-E-N, 16. Next one should be 17. Look, it's S-E-V-E-N, 7, T-E-E-N, 17. Okay, so fill up this one, S-E-V-E-N, 7, T-E-E-N, 17. The next one should be 18, E-I-G-H-T-E-E-N, right? 18 is the spelling of 18 is E-I-G-H-T-E-E-N. Okay, the two blank is together appears in the first time here. Okay, so it is very careful. It will be 18, right? E-I-G and H, E-I-G-H-T-E-E-N, 18. Okay, we have only remaining two now. It's 19 and 20. Okay, it's 19 and 20. Look, my dear, 19, N-I-N-E-T-E-E-N, 19. Okay, it's 19, N-I-N-E-T-E-E-N, 19. The last one is, it's 20. It is 20, T-W-E-N-T-Y. Then it should be a word. Okay, 20, T-W-E-N-T-Y. It should be 20. Now, like this way, you need to fill up the blanks in your HW copy. Okay, because this is your HW number 10. Please mention the HW number in your HW copy. First of all, you should write down by yourself, or your guardian can help you to write it down. After that, the blanks need to be filled up with yourself. Okay, my dear students, I hope you have understood how to write it down, how to fill the blanks. We'll learn inshallah in the next class from 21 to 50 inshallah. Okay, see you again inshallah. Allah Hafiz.